we've gathered here today for another awesome day. It's the first ever Grilos Mountain Bike Day, and it's going to be so epic. We have so many things ready, so let's go.
You get it up. What you're seeing is a beast in the flesh. I'm vetted up. I don't need to try to speak for the rest. Always keep it abrupt. They want to keep it a mess, you know. This is what you get when you're sitting as a vet. But everybody know that you're a threat. With the rest, let's go. We won't fit in our box. We don't quit, we won't stop. Ride us all to the top. We won't fit in, we won't fit in.
This is one of his hobbies, sports that he loves to do, so it's a lovely day. Full of memories, full of hype, and Grilos screaming, "Yow!"
Look, I try to tell you we don't fit in your box. Why you try to box me and I got the key to unlock? I know the locksmiths, optics, speak of the loss. I'm eating lobster, chopsticks, freaking the boss, you know. I'll never fit in where I go at. Boss talk like I'm Boaz. Why fit in where you know you can stand out still? They remember you more when you hand out deals. Let's go.
I got to know Mare as a little kid. Was like a little smartass. We all miss the guy, for sure.
The first ever Grilos Mountain Bike Day was so epic, and it just showed what an impact he's made on everyone, not just on the sports, but on the people. We had a blast, and we're gonna keep doing this forever. So thank you to everyone who showed up, and cheers to Grilo.